everyone, it's Coach Julio, and hope you're well. So now you have a mini band and you want to do some awesome exercises with it. So watch this video. I'm going to show you 3 different positions you can do for lower body exercises to get your glutes. And I'm going to show you some bonus moves too, so we can throw some cardio in it. You don't want to miss it. So there's a couple of different positions of doing a lower body exercise with the mini band. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to put it over my feet or my shoelaces, as I tell my clients. So now you can see my lower body. I'm going to say start hip width apart. My toes are pointing forward, my feet are not pointing out, feet pointing forward. And then from here is your traditional monster walk, right? Here's a Coach Julio tip. My shoulders stay leveled. Pretend you have 2 cups of tea on each shoulder, so we're not rocking side to side. Sounds good? Notice I'm getting lower. My ceiling is not getting lower, it's me. So what is happening as I do that? I go sideways. I'm getting more quads, more legs, more glutes. I'm sitting back and my shoulders are leveled. Boom, 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 boom. So that's one position. Now exercise variation number 2, I just put it around my ankle. So the further it's away from the body, the more difficult it can be and will be, just physics. So now it's around my ankle. Now, you want to think about, hey, which band am I going to choose? Same exercise, right? Same mini band. Now, this is easier for me because I can use more strength with my glutes and my legs because the band is around my wrist. So if I really had a strong band, I would probably put that over my ankles. And then position 3, some of you may already be familiar with this, it's just right above your knees. So same exercise, same form meaning my feet are pointing forward, shoulders stay leveled. And here's your bonus move. I'm going to keep it around my ankle, and I'm going to do my monster hops. Add this to your workout. 1, 2, stop squat. 1, 2, stop squat. 1, 2, stop squat. What I want you to remember, it's not about height, it's more about distance. See how I'm getting further to the side? 1, 2, stop squat. 1, 2, stop squat. Oofa. So there you have it. You're probably wondering how many reps. Start at 5, left and right is 1. Work up to 10, 3 rounds. Let me know how it goes. Post your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.